Introducing the letter Q. Q is for queen who rules the land. Q is for a quarter inside my hand. Q is for quiet. I'm reading a book. Q is for quail. Let's take a look. Q is for question and a quake too. Q is for a quilt for me and you. What else starts with the letter Q? How about quack? Quill and quick work too. Can quiz and quit be added to the crew? Can you think of words that start with the qu sound? Quietly think. Now turn and talk to your neighbor. Great job! Let's write the letter Q. Around like a C, up, down, hook out. Around like a C, up, down, hook out. Around like a C, up, down, hook out. Lowercase q. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, KinderRomp. Check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching KinderRomp.